Hi, today I discuss about Microsoft Office program and how you prepare your word formatting and how you align your paragraph. Okay, here you see that 6 item. First of all, Microsoft Word formatting, how you align your paragraph by this 4 item. This is align left, align corner, and justify and align right. Okay, and number 2 line spacing, and number 3 indents, and number 4 sorting, and number 5 paragraph shading, and number 6 borders. You can use these 6 item and you can prepare your file very easily. Okay, so let's start with Hawk Academy. First of all, I try to show you how you format your paragraph. Okay, here you see that this is a paragraph. Okay, this paragraph are without a line. Here you see that this is blank space in this line, and here also, here also, here also. Okay, it's without a line. Okay, first I show you how you align left, and first of all you have to select this whole paragraph and home, and you see that this is already left align. Okay, and if you are, this is mid align, that means it's center. Okay, and here if you cursor here, and you can this left align, that means Ctrl+L. Okay, and if you want to center this file or this paragraph, you have to click here or Ctrl+E. Okay, you see that this is middle point. Okay, and left and right both are blank. Okay, and now I try to show you how you right align. Okay, this is right align, Ctrl+R. Okay, and now it's very suitable for prepare your document with very easily and properly, and you have to click here. Okay, you see that it's properly aligned this two side. Okay, and no here is blank space in every line are fulfilled. Okay, so this is called justify, and you can do it by Ctrl+J. Okay, and now I try to show you how you increase or decrease your line spacing. This is number 2. Okay, and first of all you have to select this whole paragraph, and here you go. Okay, and here you go, you see that first of all you go home and paragraph. Okay, paragraph, you see that before and after, two option. Okay, and you can do it, and increase or decrease, etc. Okay, etc. you can do. And here you see that this is spacing, and this is line spacing. Okay, this is line spacing, and if you click here you see that single, 1.5 line, double, at least, exactly, multiple, as your choice. Okay, you can do it. First of all we try to show you single, how you single line spacing, and click here. Okay, okay, you see that this is line spacing are attached one line with another line is very small. Okay, now I show you how 1.5 line are aligned, and first of all you have to go here and select 1.5 lines, and okay, you see that this is expands, this paragraph are expands very clearly. Okay, and if you want to see another, this is double. Okay, and you click here, it will show you double. Okay, and you also expand this at least. Okay, you see that it's very small, the space are very small than single. Okay, and this is exactly. Okay, and you also see that multifold. Okay, this is very large expansion and the line distance are very big. Okay, and now I show you how you use sorting, bullet and numbering in Microsoft Word format, which are very important for prepare any file. You have to know the sorting, how you bullet and how you numbering your file. Okay, here first of all you have to select this whole paragraph and go to here. Okay, go to here. Here you see that this is bullet library and this is numbering library and this is current list. Okay, and these three options are available here. And first of all I'll show you how you sorting this. You see that this is already sorting, but you also sorting this here. This is sorting. Okay, this sorting option A to Z. Okay, and you click here, you click here and you click also here sorting paragraph, sorting heading, field 1. We try to sorting paragraph. This is whole paragraph I try to sorting. First of all go here paragraph and this is text. Okay, this is text and here you see that you can do it A to Z and Z to A. A to Z means ascending and Z to A descending. Okay, and to go here ascending text, everything are okay, then you can press. Now I try to show you how you descending. It's already ascending. Okay, descending, and you see that B are above and A are below. It means that this is descending, and I will show you again. Here first of all click here sorting and paragraph. Okay, this is paragraph and this is text. Okay, now you can try it by ascending. Okay, okay, you see that this is ascending. Okay, and I try to attach here bullet. Okay, bullet. Here first of all you have to go home and attach bullet. This is various bullet are available in here. Okay, various bullet are available in here. Here you see that if you are tick mark and this is bullet mark and this is star bullet mark and this is colorful. Okay, and you can do it here, you can do it. Okay, this is bullet mark are available and you can change this bullet mark by various symbol. Okay, you can use this. And now I try to show you how you numbering this format. Okay, and you have to go home and here you see that numbering library and choice as your design. Here you see that this is Roman, this is alphabetic and this is numeric. Okay, and you can choose anything. This is numbering or numeric and this is alphabetic. You can use this. This is alphabetic and this is Roman number. Okay, you can do as your need or preference. So I hope that you understand very well the sorting, bullet and numbering. And now I show you how you use the indents. Okay, indents are very important for formatting Word file. Okay, the indents, first of all you have to cover this and go to home, and here you see that two options. This is decrease indent and this is increase indent. Okay, and first of all if you click here, if you click here, here you see that there is no option in left side to go or to move this file, and you have to move this file in right option. Okay, first of all you have to click here in right. Here you see that this align or this text are moving in right side and you can moving it left side. Okay, and left side, right side, you can do it. Okay, this is called indent. It means that moving the text. Okay, now paragraph shading, which is very important, and you can colorful your paragraph by this. Okay, first of all you have to select how many paragraph are neat or how many paragraph are you have to color. Okay, now I'll show you only three line how you color this. Okay, and if you color this and to go to home, okay, here you see that this is text coloring format. Okay, and you can color this as your preference or as your choiceable color are everything available in here. Okay, now I show you by showing red color, and you also multiple color in here, and as your customized color are available in here. Okay, and now I show you how you coloring this whole line or background. Okay, this is background color, which is very important for highlights your text. Okay, this is background color and this is text color. Okay, this is text color. So you hope that understand very well the text color and background color. Okay, now I try to show you how you use border for preparing your file in various purpose. Okay, first of all you have to select this whole text and to go to home. Okay, and you have to click here. Okay, here you see this bottom border, top border, left border, right border, everything are available here. You can choose and you can select any border from here. Okay, this is horizontal, and I try to show you all border. All border means this whole text are border. Okay, and now I show you the top border. Okay, and the bottom border, top border, and left border, and no border. Okay, without border, and outside border. Okay, this is inside border. Everything are available here, and you can customize as your preference from here, and it will be very useful for your file. Okay, so hope that this video will perfect for your Microsoft Word learning, and you can watch more and more for clear your basic learning. So hope that you understand very well. Stay tuned with Hawk Academy. Thank you very much.